What's good, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you this awesome minimal and ultra narrow side table.
And we're going to assemble it with the help of our assistant.
Screws. And put it in here. This is a black version, although it does come in oak, white, espresso brown, and it can hold quite a lot of stuff. It's got a very nice large place for your magazines and 2 shelves.
So if you're looking for a minimal side table and table, this just may be for you.
It's so easy, even the baby can do it. Stay tuned for the whole video. So here are your instructions. This is 7 by 22, so will fit in small narrow spaces. It's got a black finish. This also comes in oak, espresso brown, beige, and white. So let's go, and these are your hardware pieces. And it's actually quite easy because they're all labeled. So just follow the directions and you'll be good to go. So grab this and then put these legs on the bottom. Good. And now we tighten. This is so it can slide around on surfaces without scratching them. Okay, so these are the 3s. This is the 5 and the 4. These slide in here. Make sure you pay attention to the picture because one side has 2 holes, one side has 1 hole. So make sure you differentiate the different ones on the picture here. And then we're going to combine them with these screws here that come from this back here. Take the screw, place it on 4 and 5, and then use the Allen key to tighten it up. Alright, so now that you have your bottom base and then you have both tops installed, I'm just going to show you how this looks. You want to take the screws have to be on the inside when you attach this, right? So the 2 holes are on the outside, and again the screws are on the inside. And the lower part with the 2 holes, this is your front. The one with the higher is the back because that's for those. So let's go and attach the bottom screws. All 4 attached, and now we screw these in at the bottom. This is screw C. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go and attach our first table there. Let's finish this off. Take the number 6 tubes and slide them through the canvas at the front and at the back. And then we're gonna go and attach these. Put it in. Yeah! Alright, so the top bar goes in here, the bottom. And then we flip this around and we put this on the first top here, number 7. Then we take these screws and then we put these at the bottom. Second shelf, we're using different screws. We're going to be using these screws. Get it through. Good. Now we finish it up and there you go. So here's the final product. As you can see, it will hold quite a lot. Now we've positioned this right beside the couch so that way I can rest drinks or plates when we're eating and watching a movie. I like the fact that it's got 2 shelves. It's got those wheels that you can slide around, so I'm not afraid it's going to scratch out my tiles or anything else. And this is kind of a nice thing for magazines, paperwork, and whatnot. And then it kind of goes with this whole wall as well. So again, if you're looking for a nice decor item, then really this you can't miss. And the fact that it is so narrow, like look how narrow it is, right? So you can really easily stick this right beside here if you really don't want it to take up any space. That's the video. Thanks for watching.